We'll talk about a new solution, CaloPix 5, in just a few minutes. But before that, a new concept, which is about a new platform. And that is a very different approach from what has been available so far over the past years. And that is what Google has done with its Google Drive platform, Microsoft with MS Office. You get Adobe with the Creative Suite as well, and Apple with iWork. Well, this is the iWork suite for digital pathology. This is what we're introducing. Instead of single, simple elements that are disjointed, not necessarily integrated, working together, well, this is basically the next stage where those different elements work together for the benefit of the pathologist's workflow and the lab itself. So we're really on a mission to deliver the most complete and integrated solution for ultimate convenience, simplicity, productivity, and at the end of the day, clinical confidence. So let's look at this in more detail. We talked to over 200 former and current customers around the world and asked them for months, what is it that will make your life easier, that will help you do a better job at what you're ultimately really designed to do, which is make a positive impact on human health. And the answers came as follows. One, the system has to be open and compatible. We don't want any closed system, end-to-end, not open. We need something that is open to any file formats, any slide scanning technology. Ideally end-to-end as well. We don't want to have a piece of technology here, a piece there. We want to make sure that things are working all together and seamlessly, and they have a complete solution at the end, no matter what the vendor is for the different components. It needs to be modular, so I can pick and choose what vendor I want to use different components from. It needs to be flexible as well. It needs to be enterprise grade from a security, performance, and stability standpoint. It needs to also be open to getting and managing second opinions. Not everyone is specialist in every single specialty, as Dr. Yang was saying a few minutes ago. So sometimes you do need the help of an expert in a specific condition that is somewhere halfway around the world, and the platform will enable you to do that. Also, AI algorithms, which is a big subject of the day, and you can learn a lot more about that. Dr. Yang put a lot of emphasis on that today. This really is what is needed for automation in analyses for the benefit of ultimately accelerating the diagnosis of prognostic activity for be able to handle more patients, more cases in the same amount of time. And then at the end of the day, it needs to be centered around the pathology or the pathologist workflow itself. We don't want to change the way they work necessarily. We want to make sure that they're able to get on this technology and get the job done. So just to give you a better sense for how we have reorganized this platform, this is really across the workflow that was already presented by Jean-François a few minutes ago. You can see from left to right, upstream to downstream, from macro image acquisition all the way to reporting. And the colored boxes, whether they're green, red, or orange, represent the different components or modules of the solution, which are available today. Of course, the company is working actively to complete the puzzle and make sure that at the end of the day you do get an entire suite, whether we develop the suite internally or we outsource those capabilities to partners that we believe may be in a better position to do a great job for you at the end. So at a high level, MC is MacroCam, which is a solution for macro imaging and image management. STO is for storage solution. We have a great partner in Microsoft. You're leveraging their Azure platform globally. And of course, some clients prefer to store their images locally, which is fine as well. Those two options exist. And they can be managed by what we call storage management solution, which is an application that helps optimize access to images while minimizing the cost of storage. AIA, which stands for AI applications. TSP, which stands for Teleslide Pathology, which is the second opinion module of the suite, allowing for that function to happen seamlessly within, last but not least, CaloPix 5. It's announced today, which is the core of the suite of the platform. And you will learn a lot more about CaloPix over the next few minutes as well. And you get to see a demo as well. So stick around, a lot more to come. At the end of the day, it's all about helping with digital transformation in a way that is seamless, that is Not easy, it never is, but definitely as the least amount of complexity as possible to get you to realize your objectives at your lab or hospital level.
Hi everyone, I'm Nolwenn Paitier, the product owner of CaloPix. So welcome to the CaloPix 5 demo. We are going to highlight the solution top 3 benefits visually. First one, ultimate flexibility. Second one, increased lab productivity. And third, higher clinical confidence. So CaloPix 5 provides ultimate flexibility to configure and run your lab your way. This fully web-based application, as you can see, enables remote work anytime. CaloPix is also compatible with most scanner image formats, from bright field, here, to fluorescence, like that. For example, here this is a fish slide, and this stack. Giving you total flexibility in how to build your digital workflow. It also enables increased productivity through advanced workflows and automation. Today's lab needs to process more cases faster and with a higher level of analysis sophistication. CaloPix 5 allows you to accelerate and simplify your case analysis with a very intuitive UI and some advanced tools such as navigation tracking. So for example, here in green, and image registration, allowing you to compare easily various staining side by side, like that. And then the navigation is synchronized. You can easily access patient history thanks to our cost-effective archiving module called Storage Management, working seamlessly with CaloPix. Finally, it provides superior clinical confidence to deliver answers you can trust, to drive treatment plan decisions. CaloPix 5 ensures full confidence in your diagnosis with an advanced visualization engine, remote second opinion, and AI automation tools, both proprietary and integrated third-party available in the near future. Thanks for listening.